In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best pool cleaner robots on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best pool cleaner robots on Amazon. Number 5, iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner KN Series, 210-minute runtime, smart 3D navigation, AI inverter energy saving, cleans floor, walls and waterline, cordless for above-ground and in-ground pools. 210 minutes extended runtime, long-lasting battery delivers up to 3.5 hours of continuous cleaning, ideal for pools up to 600 square foot. Powerful triple motor suction up to 17,000 lph removes leaves, sand, debris, and small particles efficiently in one pass. Smart 3D navigation S-Path technology, intelligent route planning ensures full coverage of floor, walls, and waterline with higher efficiency. AI inverter energy saving technology automatically adjusts power 20% to 100%. Based on cleaning needs to maximize efficiency and battery life. Full pool cleaning 3 modes supports floor only, full coverage, and wall/waterline. First cleaning modes for flexible operation. 3.2 L debris basket with 180 micrometers filtration captures both large debris and fine particles. 4. Clear, clean water, app control plus OTA updates, control cleaning modes, monitor performance, and receive firmware updates via Wi-Fi/Bluetooth. Wall climbing and adaptive mobility, smoothly handles slopes, steps, and vertical surfaces with intelligent torque control. Auto parking and easy retrieval, automatically parks near the pool wall and drains water for effortless lifting. Cordless and lightweight design, hassle-free setup with no tangled cables. The iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner KN Series is a smart, energy-efficient cordless pool vacuum designed to deliver powerful, full coverage cleaning with minimal effort. Built for both above-ground and in-ground pools, this advanced robot combines intelligent navigation, strong suction, and adaptive power control to keep your pool crystal clear. Designed for convenience, it offers multiple cleaning modes to suit different needs, whether you want a quick floor clean or full pool coverage including walls and waterline. With app connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, you can easily control settings, monitor performance, and keep the system updated with OTA firmware upgrades. Number 4, iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner K70 Cordless Pool Vacuum Robot, 7H runtime, turbo 200% suction, smart 3D navigation, touchscreen and app control. Auto parking for in-ground and above-ground pools. Black 7-hour extended runtime delivers up to 7 hours of floor cleaning, approximate 3.75 hours full pool coverage on a single charge. Turbo 200% suction power, triple brushless motors, and turbo mode tackle heavy debris, algae, and stubborn dirt efficiently. Smart 3D S-Path navigation, intelligent path planning adapts to pool shape for full coverage and up to 5 times more efficient cleaning. Touchscreen plus app control, smartphone-style touchscreen and app connectivity for easy mode selection, scheduling, and monitoring. Multi-surface cleaning, cleans floor, walls, and waterline with dedicated modes for complete pool maintenance. 4L large debris basket, 180 micrometers filtration captures everything from large leaves to fine silt with fewer emptying cycles. Wall climbing and adaptive mobility, anti-slip tracks and torque control handle slopes, steps, and vertical surfaces smoothly. Auto parking feature, automatically returns to the pool edge when cleaning is complete or battery is low. OTA updates and smart AI timer, continuous software improvements and scheduled cleaning cycles for hands-free maintenance. Cordless design, hassle-free operation with no cables, making setup and retrieval simple. Full product description. The iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner K70 is a powerful, cordless pool vacuum robot engineered for efficient, intelligent, and fully automated cleaning. Designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools, it combines strong suction, smart navigation, and long battery life to deliver consistent, high-performance results with minimal effort. With up to 7 hours of runtime, the K70 is built to handle extended cleaning sessions, making it ideal for medium to large pools. Its advanced turbo 200% mode, powered by triple brushless motors, delivers intense suction performance capable of removing heavy debris, algae buildup, and fine dirt in a single pass. The robot's intelligent 3D S-Path navigation system ensures precise, full pool coverage by adapting to your pool's shape in real time. It efficiently cleans floors, climbs walls, and scrubs the waterline, while adaptive torque control helps it navigate slopes, steps, and obstacles without getting stuck, ideal for pool owners seeking a balance of power, smart technology, and long runtime. The iGarden K70 transforms routine pool maintenance into a simple, automated experience. Number 3. iGarden Pool Cleaner K Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum with 15H runtime, touchscreen and app control, smart navigation, 200% turbo suction, ultrafine filtration, auto parking for in-ground pools. Ultra-long 15-hour runtime delivers extended cleaning sessions up to 15 hours floor mode / 8.5 hours full pool for large pools with fewer recharges. 200% turbo suction power up to 7,400 GPH high-performance turbine system removes heavy debris, algae, and fine dirt with ease. Smart AI navigation 3D S-Path intelligent route planning ensures full pool coverage up to 5 times more efficient than standard cleaners. Touchscreen plus app control easily set modes, timers, and schedules via onboard display or mobile app connectivity. For zone cleaning, floor, walls, waterline, multiple cleaning modes tackle every surface in your pool. Ultrafine filtration system captures both large debris and microscopic particles for crystal clear water. Adaptive mobility and wall climbing anti-slip tracks and smart torque control handle slopes, steps, and walls effortlessly. Auto parking edge return automatically docks at the pool edge for easy retrieval after cleaning. OTA updates and AI timer continuous improvements and scheduled cleaning cycles for up to 21 days of maintenance-free operation. 3-year warranty reliable. Number 2. 2026 new Beatbot Sora 30 Pool Vacuum Robot, 4-in-1 cordless cleaner with shallow area cleaning, 6800 GPH power, smart surface parking, 5L capacity, app control, for above and in-ground pools up to 3,230 square foot. 4-in-1 full pool cleaning cleans floor, walls, waterline, and shallow platforms for complete coverage in one device. Shallow area cleaning as low as 8 inches designed to handle tanning ledges, steps, and shallow zones without getting stuck. 6800 GPH powerful suction high flow performance removes leaves, sand, algae, and heavy debris in a single pass. Smart surface parking automatically floats to the surface for easy retrieval, no diving or lifting from the bottom. Large 5L debris capacity handles heavy debris loads with fewer interruptions during cleaning cycles. Up to 5 hours runtime. Long-lasting battery ensures full pool coverage in one cleaning session. Dual filtration system 150 micrometers plus optional 3 micrometers captures both large debris and fine particles for crystal clear water. Smart app and offline control cleaning modes. Monitor performance and retrieve the robot via mobile app or onboard controls. Advanced obstacle avoidance equipped with multiple sensors. And intelligent navigation for efficient path planning. Cordless design for easy use, no cables, no hassle. Drop in and start cleaning instantly. The Beatbot Sora 30 Pool Vacuum Robot is a next-generation cordless cleaner engineered to deliver powerful, all-in-one pool maintenance with minimal effort. Built with a 4-in-1 cleaning system, it effectively tackles every part of your pool, including floors, walls, waterlines, and shallow areas, eliminating the need for multiple cleaning tools. One of its standout features is its ability to clean shallow zones as low as 8 inches, making it ideal for modern pools with tanning ledges, steps, and platforms that many traditional robots struggle to reach. Number 1. AIPER EcoSurfer S2 Solar-Powered Pool Surface Skimmer Robot with app control, 24/7 continuous cleaning, dual charging solar plus DC, smart obstacle avoidance, 150 micrometers filtration, OTA updates. Solar powered with dual charging operates using solar energy with DC backup charging for reliable, uninterrupted performance day and night. 24/7 automatic surface cleaning continuously removes leaves, insects, pollen, and floating debris to maintain a clean pool surface. Smart app control easily monitor battery status, control cleaning modes, and manage settings from your smartphone. Intelligent obstacle avoidance advanced sensors help navigate around pool walls, ladders, and obstacles without getting stuck. 150 mm fine filtration system captures both large debris and fine particles for improved water clarity. OTA firmware updates stay current with automatic over-the-air updates that enhance features and performance. Eco-friendly and energy efficient, reduces electricity use while delivering powerful cleaning performance. Wide compatibility, suitable for most in-ground and above-ground pools of various shapes and sizes. Keep your pool effortlessly clean with the AIPER EcoSurfer S2 solar-powered pool surface skimmer robot, an advanced and eco-friendly solution designed for continuous surface maintenance. Powered primarily by solar energy,